Alright guys, Tony here at Old Man Wrenching. Thought I would show off the Rockola 449 completed jukebox. This is what she looks like, all lit up. Let me just open up the inside real quick. There we go. And this is the inside, all reassembled. I did not end up using that method for inputting Bluetooth. What I did do was I have an Intel NUC here, and it has a Bluetooth module in it. And so what I'm doing is connecting via phone to the NUC, and then I did get inside of the amplifier. I don't know that I videoed that at all, but what I did was add two RCA jacks right here, and they actually go into the circuits inside. I do not use this because there's just too many problems with doing that. But yeah, this is what she looks like. I've got you probably saw on the video, I've got a monitor installed up here now. Got some extra shielding tape and stuff to keep the RMF problems down. These are the new Polk audios right here in the front, and then in the bottom is where those Rockvilles ended up. Open this up real quick. There you go. So now you can see the Rockvilles in the bottom. Close her up. Carousel's not yet loaded up. I haven't done any testing with it yet. I was focused on the Bluetooth section. I'll just show what she looks like. One thing that is kind of disappointing is the viewing angle of the display. So as you back away from the machine, you know, that angle is just not optimum for the LCD. Off to the sides, it's about the same. I'm not getting anything. Just gets a little bit faded and dark from a distance as you get up close. You know, but that's to be expected. I'm really pleased with the fit of the display. I'm not sure, I think it might be a 21-inch screen that I used. Buttons, I have not colored the buttons in because I didn't think, there we go. First digit 1. 9.